Imagine you're feeling low because you're missing your family. Take a few deep breaths. Smile. Try to tune in with the music. Move your body a little bit. Feel it. It might feel a little bit awkward, but keep up with it. Follow the music. Get synced with it. Aren't you feeling better? And you start to feel even more better. And maybe now you're feeling amazing.
You have the power of your vibration. And if you can maintain higher vibrations consistently for long and long periods of time, which you can with a lot of practice, what happens is you will see beautiful situations and experiences coming automatically in your life. As you shift your inner space, it manifests in your higher life. And this video is to truly remind you that your vibration is completely in your power and you can move it wherever you want to move it. First and simple trick, use this sentence: I truly appreciate the feeling of dash. So, for example, I would use I truly appreciate the feeling of my mother's hand stroking my head. Or I truly appreciate the feeling that I have when my dog comes to me, wags his tail, and tries to rub his skin on me. I truly appreciate the feeling that I have when I'm sitting with my friends and laughing on something very silly. So, again, you try to make it very specific and imagine in your head while you say it. Now, when you do this, again, whole your mind shifts into something that gives you a warm feeling. If you have a piece of music that stirs your soul, just put on it and focus on one kind of a beat. So, for example, guitar tune or the piano or the drum beat that you're really tuning in with, and try to sync with that. You try to use your body and try to use your smile. So, what you're doing is you're coming out of your head, moving into your body, moving all your body into a higher vibration of the music and coming back to the present moment. This is also shifting your focus to something which is more positive, vibrant, and has an energy which is of higher vibration. You can also imagine that there's this golden light coming out of you, and there will be thoughts that will try to push you down when you're trying to move your body, feel beautiful. So you use an opposite thought. You use an affirmation, a pep talk for yourself to motivate you to keep going on with that flow. So, for example, I sometimes use I truly and deeply love myself, or I'm able to do this, I'm able to raise my vibration. And as you do it and you're also flowing in with the music, you will see that even when you're going down and not able to flow, as you use your thought, you're going up. And so you keep try to give yourself these thoughts and you will go up slowly, slowly. It will be super easy, I tell you, just give it a try. Wim Hof breathing is something that I have realized really helps me raise my vibration. It's very simple. I will show you how to use it. Inhaling really deep, you can use your mouth and your nose. Inhale deep and exhale very normally. Do it 30 times on the 30th time that you do it, and hold it for as long as you can. I will show you. You will feel this tingling feeling in your body when you're doing it. You might feel dizzy, but all of this is normal. After completing this, you will find that you're automatically feeling very good. Your head is very clear and you're just feeling light and happy. Wim Hof even says that you can produce DMT by doing this breathing exercise. You can increase your immunity and you can resist a lot of bacteria in your body by using Wim Hof breathing. Few more really powerful methods. Number one is think of somebody you really love. So you can think of your dog or your lover, and just like what feeling comes inside of you, try to focus on it and allow it to expand, right? So this is one way of being in a higher vibration very easily. You can also start thinking about things you're very grateful for. The key point is to have this completely filled in your imagination. So for example, I'm grateful for the place that I'm living in. So I can close my eyes if I'm not here, of course, and then just start feeling, that there's so many trees around you, there's wind blowing on my face, I can hear the sounds of birds, and I can feel very thankful for my living space. And this is how I get into a vibration which is of gratitude. I can move from one situation which makes me feel grateful to another thing that I'm very grateful for. For example, after imagining about this place, I could start thinking about my friends and my family. So I could start thinking about all the people who support me. If you like my video, do subscribe and share it with your friends. It really helps if you share this video with your friends. And if you have reached to the end of the video, please mention cucumber in the comments below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. You have the power to your vibrations once again. I love you. Keep vibing high.